Stocks closed mixed after shares in regional banks plunged and investors rethink what impact the Fed's rate hike policies are having on the banking system. The Dow closed down 90 points, S&P 500 was off 6, and then the Nasdaq closed up nearly 50 points. NewsNation business contributor Lydia Moynihan joins us now. Good morning, Lydia. So the pressure is now on for President Biden to avoid a similar 2008 bank meltdown, as you well know. What are his next steps, do you think?
Yeah, good morning. I mean, I think everyone was a bit assuaged to see yesterday his comments that he's going to make everyone whole. And so the good news here is that if you had money as a depositor in Silicon Valley Bank or Signature Bank, you will make sure that you will get all of your money. So they're basically committing to cover everything beyond that FDIC insurance, which covers the first $250,000 worth of loans. The concern here is that there isn't a guarantee that they replicate that with other banks. And so they've deemed that Silicon Valley Bank and Signature are systemically important. But the question is that the kind of metric they're going to apply to other smaller banks as well?
Yeah. And speaking of, with shares in regional banks falling, are smaller banks in danger of collapsing now?
That is a big concern. I think a lot of people are looking at Silicon Valley Bank, they're looking at Signature Bank, and they're saying, there wasn't any fraud here, right? Clearly, we can criticize their risk management or lack thereof, or how they were prioritizing their time or their balance sheet, whatever. At the end of the day, they weren't doing anything fraudulent. They had sort of illiquid assets, but they were buying the safest assets, treasuries that you can buy. And this happened. And so I think the concern is, if this could happen at that bank, why couldn't it happen in a smaller bank? And that's obviously why we're seeing those shares tank today.
Yeah, I think it's ignited some nervousness amongst a lot of Americans. Lydia, thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.